In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Face ID issues after updating to iOS 26. If Face ID stopped working or it feels glitchy after the update, don't worry, I'm going to walk you through how you can fix it step by step. But before we get started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. First things first, let's rule out any simple issues that you might be having. Remove your case and check to see if it's blocking any of the sensors. Clean the front-facing camera since dust or smudges can interfere. And if you have a screen protector on that is cracked or poorly aligned, consider removing it or replacing it. That being said, if none of that is the issue for you and Face ID is still not working, try a force restart first. To do this, quickly press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button, and then hold the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears, then let go of it. This is not going to delete your data, it just refreshes the system, and if it doesn't work the first time, try it again. If the issue does still continue, you're going to want to reset Face ID completely. Go ahead and navigate into settings. Once you get in your settings, go ahead and scroll down till you see the Face ID and passcode section and enter in your passcode. And from here, go ahead and scroll down and type in reset Face ID. And set it up again by scanning your face, just because sometimes the old Face ID data doesn't carry over properly after a major iOS update, so re-enrolling your face does fix it. If Face ID still isn't working though, back out of this section and stay in your settings, but scroll up and go into General, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then hit Reset and select Reset All Settings. Don't worry, this is not going to erase your photos, your apps, or your data. It's only going to reset system settings like Wi-Fi passwords, wallpapers, and preferences, and this can often resolve conflicts caused by the update. If none of these fixes work, the problem is going to be on Apple's end. iOS 26 is brand new, and sometimes early bugs affect features like Face ID, so keep checking settings, general, and then software update for the next patch, such as iOS 26.1 or 26.2, which may fix it. But that's how you can fix Face ID issues here on iOS 26. If you do have any questions, ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.